Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagre Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So, yung hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is the weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? So, alamin na natin yan. Oh my God. Okay. So, this is something a Seven of Cups. So, this is something confusion or opportunities, no? Tingnan natin to kung ito ba ay opportunities. Let's see. So this is something a death card. Oh, so this is something at opportunity that brings you a transformation. So ito yung mga bagay na parang magbabago na, no? May malaking pagbabago magaganap. It's either a chaos or something a disaster or either a rebuilding, no? Ito ay maaaring magdala sa or magbukas sa ng panibagong eksena. So, this is something a Ten of Pentacles. So, parang inahain na yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, inilalatag na ng ating universe. Yung mga bagay na unti-unti nang magbabago. This is something a Ten of Pentacles that brings you up financial security. No? Kumbaga, ibinagkakaloob na sa'yo yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, para sa'yo talaga. No? Hinahain niya na. Kumbaga, ikaw na lang pipili with a full card. Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, this is something a process and progress na maaring hinahain na sa'yo ng ating universe na, kumbaga, processing na, no? There's something na proceeding na. Kung talagang mangyayari na at may mga bagay na makukuha ka na. This is something a Five of Swords represent self-sabotage. Be aware sa mga actions mo, no? Baka ikaw ang maglagay sa sarili mo sa alanganing situation. Kumbaga, wag kang magbibigay ng information, thoughts, and of course, and knowledge sa mga tao sa paligid mo na alam mong gagamitin nila yon against sa'yo. This is something an Eight of Cups represent the wish of females na sinasabi dito with an Eight of Cups na there's something flow, no? There's something surrender, no? There's something moving forward or something moving on. So may mga bagay dito na unti-unti na magpa-process at na matatapos na maaaring magkakaroon na dito ng another level of existence, no? Kumbaga, magpapanibago eksena. The Seven of Cups represent the Four of Wands by celebration, no? Magkakaroon dito ng celebrations, family gatherings, no? And of course, this is a higher level of commitments, guys. This is something opportunity for you na magkakaroon ka ng something, another, no? Transactions, no? Another informations. Let's see what is the Death card. The Death card represents the Hierophant. So this is something a lesson learned, no? May mga bagay dito na natutunan mo, no? Sa mga nakaraang buhay mo. This is something a transformation that brings you a success. A Hierophant represents an education and lesson learned. And a Hierophant represents something a separation from other person to another. May mga bagay dito na parang aalisin ka sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsuserve sa'yo, no? Parang ito yung tatapusin yung mga bagay na alam niyang hindi makakatulong, no, in the near future. So let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles represent the Eight of Wands. So this is something a fast communication and fast movement. So maaaring magkaroon ka ng phone calls, messages, and there's a troubles rather. Na maaaring magkaroon ka ng another information dito na magdadala sa'yo ng financial security or financial windfall, no? This is something 888 represent abundance, wealth, and prosperity. So let's see what is the full card. The Fool card represents the Three of Pentacles with the collaborations, no? Connections, no? Maaaring sa pananalig at pananampalataya mo, ito na pinagkakalob sa'yo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. So there's a Page of Pentacles with investment. So see, invest wisely. Matuto ka at pahalagahan mo at pag-isipan mo kung sino at kung saan ka mag-i-invest, no? Ibig sabihin, magtitiwala sa tao o sitwasyon. No? Kumbaga, ito yung sinasabi self-sabotage, yung magdala sa'yo ng sabotahe. No? May mga tao kasi sa paligid mo na, kumbaga, it's either a friend of yours or a family related na maaaring nag-invest ka for good times. Na may mga bagay dyan na maaaring, kumbaga, hindi mo akalaing nanhiloko ka. No? There's something trickery. No? Nilinlang ka nila. This is something investment. So, maaaring, may mga bagay dito na magdala sa'yo for expanding your finances. So, let's see what is an Eight of Cups. Represent the Queen of Wands by confidence. No? Lakasan mo ang loob mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. May mga bagay na unti-unti nang dadaloy sa'yo. No? Magpasalamat ka sa mga hinahain, may mga bagay na ibinibigay sa'yo ng universe, na there's something a blessing in disguise, or great a blessing coming in for you. Let's see what is the Eight of Cups sa Rukasda. The Seven of Cups sa Rukasda. The Four of Wands represent the Knight of Pentacles. So there's something, a security. Mag-secure ka sa mga bagay-bagay o relasyon, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi, pangalagaan mo, may mga taong guguluhin ka sa situation mo, sa love life mo, sa career mo, finances mo. But eventually, nasa sa'yo yan kung paano mo pangangalagaan. At magproteksyonan. The Death card in the Hierophant represent the Page of Swords. Oh, there's a spy looking, watching at you. May sumusubaybay dito at kumukuha na information sa iyo. Just educate, no, yourself. Just sabi dito, matuto ka na. Na may mga bagay dito na parang dinidisregard mo or something, ini-ignore mo, no, yung mga information na binibigay sa iyo ng yung mga gabay. Kaya kailangan matuto ka, or there's something, a lesson learned dito from the past na maaaring tapusin na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa iyo. Kilala mo na alam mo na kung sino yung mga taong dapat pagkatiwalaan mo, no? May mga bagay dyan kasi na kahit nakilala mo na, pinagkakatiwalaan mo pa rin, no? Ayun yung sinasabi self-sabotage. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles and of course the Eight of Wands. Represent the Four of Cups. There's a reevaluate or analyze, no? Pag-isipan mo mabuti bago ka mag-offer. Or there's something analyzations, evaluations, no? The Fool card and the Three of Pentacles represent the Nine of Cups, sorry. This is something a Nine of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad. Unti-unti na may isa sa katuparan, no? Dahil dito sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, no, this is something unity, teamwork. No, this is something that brings you a success. The Five of Swords and of course the Page of Pentacles is a magician for manifestation or either manipulator, no? May mga taong minamanipulate, no, yung situation mo, or either kumbaga kino-control yung situation mo para it's either what you call that, something brainwash, no? Parang hypnotize, no? Maaring kumbaga inaano niya, no? Parang kino-control niya yung situation. Manipulator talaga, no? This is something manipulator or dictator. The Eight of Cups and the Queen of Wands represent the Chariot card for taking action. So, kailangan mo kumilos gumalaw. Baka umalis kayo dyan sa bahay o sitwasyon ng kinagagalawan nyo, ha? May mga toxic, there's a toxic family ako na sensitive to, no? Na maaring, kumbaga, maaring dapat hindi na nakikinig to sa magulang nila or either ganun. Kumbaga sunod-sunuran, no? This is something like that. Maaaring minamanipulate or maaaring dinidiktahan yung kilos at galaw na dapat ay hindi na. This is something a family rather or family-oriented dapat, no? Dapat nakatutok na sa sariling families. Let's see what is the outcome. So this is something Six of Swords with the transition. Makakalista kayo sa situation, guys. At the same time, this is something the Moon card for truth reveal. No? May mga bagay dito na mailalantad na. May mga bagay na ipagkakaloob na. May mga bagay dito unti-unti mo na makikita at matatamo. For the outcome, this is something an Ace of Wands for new spark and creativity. No? There is something, information na maaaring makagawa ka ng craft, no? Na there's something signatures, own, no? Or something uniqueness. Maring makagawa ka ng sarili mong designs, sarili mong negosyo, sarili mong diskarte, no? So, let's see what is additional messages about sa career. Sa career mo, there's something Hermit card. So, this is something, spiritual, no, awakening, or something, a spiritual journey, or this is something a comfort zone. Na kumbaga natatakot kapag dating sa career mo, this is something afraid for taking risks, no? And there's the lovers, no, connected with your love life. Now, this is something a partnership. And there's something the sun card. Maliliwanagan ka dito. Kaya kailangan mo lang kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Or may mga bagay dito na kumaga binibigyan ng pampamalas ang iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. Kaya kahit anong itayo yung negosyo, bumabagsak. Ha? Additional messages about sa love life. Sa love life, this is high physics. So, see, there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. So, ibig sabihin connected to sa inyong love life, no? Ang iyong kabalasan. Dahil dito ay meron ditong, kumaga, hindi tanggap, no? There's a hindi tanggap. There's a page of kasama intuition mo. No, tama ang nasa knowledge mo or something, ambitions mo, no? Tama hinala mo sa madaling salita. There's a something, a temperance, no? Something healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng healing dito. Kailangan mo lang kumalma. No, kilala mo na at alam mo na yung kasagutan. Kailangan mo na lang mag-take ng actions. Additional messages tayo about sa health. Sa health mo, there's a star card for a wish fulfillment at healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng healing miracles. Maring gumaling ka sa iyong mga karamdaman na nararamdaman, unti-unti nang gumaling sa iyong mga sugat na nakaraan. So, this is something for absorb by rest. So, kailangan mo magpahinga. Nag-over-fatigue ka dito. At the same time, there's something a Six of Cups, no? There's something, doing a black magic involved. No? Okay, thank you, guys. Now, ginawa kayo ng eksena dito with, friends, or either, ex, no? Or either, family related. So, let's see what is Money Move Oracle deck. This is something naman money reading, career reading. So, let's see. And there is something alchemy. No, there's a transform the situation. Na unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon. This is something of using witchcraft, occult and learning God's secrets. So, see, this is something of doing black magic dito, guys, no? Para mabago ang sitwasyon mo, para imbis na swertihin ka, malasing ka. See? Using witchcraft. And there's something power. So, you have the power to change everything. Focus on your deeds, no? Kailangan mo lang tumutok talaga sa ano ba kailangan mong gawin. And of course, there's something wealthness, no? At sinasabi dito na live a healthier lifestyle. May mga bagay dito na ginagawa. Yung lifestyle nyo, ha, kung hindi siya healthy, kailangan nyo rin ayusin yung lifestyle nyo. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. So, let's watch this. And of course, tingnan natin anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay. And there's a third party. I told you, this is something a third party interferes. No, there's a something third party talaga. And there's a something a home foundation. See, kasama nyo sa tahanan, sa bahay. And there's a something unfinished business. So, some of you talagang lumayo na, no? At nagpakalayo-layo at humiwalay na dito sa bahay. No, it's a good part. Or either naghiwalay yung mag-asawa. So, let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. For synchronicities, so there's a child, no, guys, may kinalaman dito ang mga bata, maring, kumbaga may mga anak ka na iipit sa situation, and there's a raven. So, see, may pagkaaswang pa, ha, may pagkaaswang pa yung gumagawa nito. And there's an intuition, tama yung hinala mo, oh. Diba? Pinagmamasdan kayo kahit anong gawin nyo. There's something imagination. You have the power, ha, guys. Kumbaga mataas ang yung visions dito, guys, no? Nakakapag-grade ka ng mga bagong ideas or either there's something vision and instinct. And there's a sixth senses, guys. No? May kakayanan ka talaga. May kaalaman ka konti. No? There's something a yin and yang oracle card. And there's an autumn harvest time. So may mga bagay na mag-harvest ka na. And there's a reunion, no, maaaring magtatagpo ulit kayo ng ex mo or partner mo. And there's a decision, kailangan nyo lang mag-decide. Wala itong person, wala siyang wala pa siyang sariling disposition sa buhay. No, yung decision niya na kailangan panghawakan at pangalagaan niya. Magical fairy messages are in what? So there's a spring, there's a something in blossoming. No, and of course there's a vegetarian. Kailangan mo kumain ng fruit and vegetable, guys, no? Kailangan mo palakasin ng iyong immune system. For angels, answer represent what? For angels answer represent what? For listen to your intuition. Na makinig ka sa intuition mo, guys, no? Makinig ka dito sa intuitions mo. Additional messages, helpful people, na may mga taong tutulong sa'yo. May mga taong tutulungan ka, o may mga taong tinutulungan ka. And not the right time, na may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And as Archangel Michael to help you from your situation, no? Humingi ka ng gabay sa ating Archangel Michael para makalis ka sa situation mo. And of course, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, ha? And of course, it's time to live the unhealthy situation, no? See? Kumbaga, hindi maganda yung sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo talaga. Kailangan mo makawala dyan. And positive thought create a positive result. Always think positive and being optimistic. And there's something sense of humor. See? Kailangan mataas ang sense of humor mo dito na tingnan mo yung lighter set of situation. Huwag ka tumingin sa mga negativities, no? Additional messages for the energy. Let's see what is the energy represent what. So there's a 7 chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. At the same time, there is something Corconopia. No? There's something of fruit and vegetables. And there's a third chakra Archangel Chamuel about you talaga dito sa sikmura. No? Maaaring may problema sa sikmura mo. Let's see what is additional messages with our Romance angels. Iwasan mo daw kumain ng mga yung mga smoky food, no? Like an ihaw-ihaw. Iwas po. And there's something, it's safe for you to love. No? Mas safe ka daw pag nagmamahal ka. And there's something forgive and learning. No? Kailangan mo magpatawad at matuto sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent what? Recovery. No? Makaka-recover din kayo sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. No? Papalawigin ang iyong finances. There's something impatient. Kailangan mo lang habaan ang pasensya mo dito. Nagkaroon ka ng impatient. No? Nagiging pala decision ka. Nagiging aggressive ka. So let's see what is the Monsology. Hold your vision. Na lagi mo pangahawakan yung mga iniisip mo. There's something intuition. Or nakikita mo. There's the answer you need is coming, no? Ang mga katanungan ay maaaring masagot na. Malapit na. It's time to leave it's time to release negativity. Kailangan mo lang pakawalan yung mga negatibo. No, na nababalot sa hanay mo. No, may mga negatibo or toxic sa paligid mo na kailangan mong alisin. Angel Spirit messages. And there's a balance. Elemental kingdom. No, kailangan mo maging balanse. And there's an trust. No, kailangan mo magtiwala. Kailangan mo magtiwala and there's a direct timing. So, do you see? So, may mga bagay na napapanahon, may mga bagay na nasa takdang panahon. Hinay-hinay. There's a step by step. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an abundance, guys. No, may kasagahan talaga na naghihintay para sa'yo. At the same time, there's something discipline. No, kailangan mo lang maging disiplinado. No? Sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay, even to your mind and knowledge, no? And thoughts. Archangel Raphael messages. There is a relationship. Connected talaga sa relasyon, ha? And there's a yes. Tama nga, no? Mayroon talagang kinalaman talaga sa inyong relasyon. No, mayroon talagang kumbaga gustong sumira ng inyong pagsasama at maaaring sinira na nga. So let's see what is an angel spirit messages. And there's a support. No, sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit guides dito. And there's a family. See, I told you, this is something na family related. And there's a yoga. Kailangan mo ng exercise, meditations, no? Para malaman mo lahat ng mga kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo. Boost your chakra. Boost your aura. Additional messages. Force, don't follow. No? May mga bagay dito na wag mo sundin yung mga bagay na alam mo yung sarili mo kung anong tama. No? Kailangan sundin mo yung tama. Kung mag-aalisin mo yung mga opinion ng iba na alam mong hindi makakabuti sa'yo at sa sarili mo at sa ibang tao. Kumbaga, wag kang makinig sa mga sulsol. There's something, the golden mirror. There's something rare gift, no? Kumbaga, kakaiba tong regalo sa'yo ng universe. There's something, a uniqueness. For Jesus' loving quote said, Jesus' loving quote said, let your light so shine before men, they may see you the good works and glorify your Father which in the heavens. So see, kung magahayaan mo sarili mo, no? Yung ipakita sa kanila kung ano yung katangian at kakayanan mo na hinusgahan nila, no? Kung magahayaan mo silang tapak-tapakan ka nila. Hayaan mo lang silang husgahan ka lang nila dahil ang Panginoon mismo ang mag-aangat sa iyo mula sa paghalugmok na yan. At sinasabi dito, heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the King of God is coming to you. So see, pagagalingin daw ng ating Panginoon yung mga sugat ng nakaraan, yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, sakit at sakripisyo. May mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan mo munang harapin at pagdaanan bago mo malasap ang tunay na tagumpay at totoong iyahain sa iyo ng buong may kapal. So let's see what is the angel's number. Represent what? 10, 11 by taking action. So you need to take an action for this, no? This is a call to actions to move forward. The sooner you getting going, the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. This will eventually reap the rewards of their perseverance, no? Kumbaga yung mga taong pinagpapala, yung mga taong nakukuha yung mga success na yan, yun yung mga taong may pinagdaanan sa buhay na nagtiyaga, no? Kumbaga mayroong nga tayong kasabihan na kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga, no? Ibig sabihin dito, dahil sa pagtitiyaga sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, kumaga doon mo makukuha yung susi ng tagumpay mo. So let's see, what is additional messages for the messages of life? Application, no? See, something stairs. So as I advance on the road towards achievement, I discover my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe my truest potential. Today I have faith in my abilities and in myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my vision. I reap my objectives. I am courageous. I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So see, kung mag-aalam sa sarili mo lahat ng mga bagay dito na matatagpuan at mararasap mo yung totoong tagumpay, may mga bagay na pagdadaanan ka at yung mga bagay na pagdadaanan mo, handa ka sa mga bawat pagsubok, dagok na mga bagay na yan. Alam mo sa huli na yan, makikita mo ang liwanag na ipagpapala ng buong may kapal. So guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.